Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I prepare for my day and what I mostly do in the salon. So this is practically what I do almost every single day apart from Sundays and Mondays that I just stay at home. Those are my off days. And also when I have home service, I don't do this. Like if I have like an early client, early morning client, I don't do this. But any day I don't have early morning clients, like my regular mornings, I just this is practically what I do most mornings that I don't have early morning clients. So I'm just going straight up to the salon. Usually, yeah, I wake up around 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. Just after waking up, I just go ahead to open up the curtains so that the light will penetrate in. I love the feel of sunlight. It's just kind of brighten my day. And any day I don't open up curtains or windows, just know that throughout that day I'm just going to be sleeping all through or I'll just be lazy for that day. Next, I will just quickly make my bed, which is very important because I don't like to come back to meet or laid bed. Then we'll just quickly go ahead to say my morning prayers. So once I'm done with the prayers, I will just go ahead to drink water from this cup. And drinking water every morning helps flushes. It helps in flushing out the stomach and also balance the lymphatic system, which helps in building the immune system. Next is just to pick out my outfit for the day. After picking out my outfit for the day, I'm just going to go ahead to have my bath. So I actually skipped this part, like I didn't take in my camera. This part because I do not want the video to be too long. But if you would like to know my bathing soap, cream, that's body cream, and other good stuff I use in having my bath and also taking care of my body, just let me know in the comment section below. After having my bath, we just quickly just start wearing my clothes. And for today's outfit, I got them from Razor Sharp in Abuja. Yes, I love to match the color of my outfit with my Apple Watch. So I have different colors of this strap. That's my Apple Watch strap, and I do this every single morning. You guys, I have different colors. Like I said before, I have different colors of this Apple strap, so it's just give the Apple Watch like a funky vibe. So that's what I do every morning. So for my hair, this is how I'm styling my hair for the past 2 weeks right now. No stress at all. First, I'll just go ahead to brush my hair with this brush. I would like to use an edge control, and this is the particular one I am using. So I'm going to use an edge control for my front part, the front part of my hair, that's my hairline, and then pack the rest part of my hair into a pony. After packing my hair into a pony, next I'm just going to go ahead to wear my hair. That's my hairband wig from Exquisite Signature Luxury Hairs. So that's my store. You can go ahead to check our website for both hair products, affordable hair products, hairs itself. We have luxury hairs ranging from bone straight, wavy, bounce, coily hairs. We also have braided wigs as well. We ship worldwide using DHL to do so. So anywhere in the world we can ship hairs to you or wigs to you. Moving on, the next thing is perfume, and these are my go-to perfumes that I use for now. First is this Royal Red Stone, and then the second one is C Amani. They are both my favorite perfumes for now, and then the combination is superb. Like I love it. It smells so yummy. Like anytime I wear these perfumes or more, I get compliments from people. So yeah, I'm ready to go now. We'll just go ahead to pick up my bag. You guys already know where I got this bag from, and if you haven't, like if you don't know, you can check my previous vlog or check the previous vlog. You will see where I got the handbag from. It's pretty affordable as well. And then for the fact that I'm going to be filming a tutorial video today, so I'm going to carry my bag, that's my camera bag, as well as I'm going to work. So I'm going to be carrying that because I'm going to film a tutorial video today. yeah, this is my assistant. Her name is Ruth, and she has been working with me for like about 6 months now. I think either 6 or 7 months now. So for today, we will be totally revamping a particular hair, including ventilating. We'll be ventilating the hair from a 2x4 closure to a 5x5 closure. We'll also be loosening the wig and rewigging it using a sewing machine to do so. We're also going to color the hair and also treat the hair. So we'll be coloring the hair from a black color to an ombre color, that's two-tone colors, and then we will be styling the hair and then treat the hair. Okay, we'll treat the hair first before styling the hair. So all the products and the processes of making this hair or totally revamping this hair will be, I filmed that already. I've already uploaded a video, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can easily just go and check it out. So this is the behind the scenes of the whole process, like revamping, filming, using my camera, doing all of that good stuff. This is the behind the scene. So right here we are actually coloring the hair. So after coloring, we are going to go ahead to wash the hair and then dry it.
My body so baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
So while waiting for the hair to dry up before I start to wig, I'm just going to start styling and arranging the displayed wigs on the shelf. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm styling them so that they can be catchy to the eyes, or so that they can be eye catchy for working clients. And just in case you don't know, if you want to buy hairs from us, you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com.
I know you ain't gotta talk, alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know that bitch is hot. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Listen. I'm blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell. Cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? started. Gone, you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If they
After rearranging the displayed wigs, now I'm just going to go ahead to start wigging the hair we just revamped, and I'm using a sewing machine to do so. If you want a video on this, I'm going to leave the link as well in the description box below. But if you don't see any link, you guys just let me know in the comment section below so that I can quickly do that. You know, sometimes I just get overwhelmed, and also like I just get carried away with so many other stuff. So in case I don't get to put all these videos I just mentioned, you can let me know in the comment section below. Then after wigging, my assistant will just go ahead to style the wig. She will just first start by blow drying the hair and then detangling it, just in case there is any frizz. And before doing so, she will be applying products. All the products I use here will be listed in that revamp video, so you guys check the description box for the video. That's a detailed video, guys. So after blow drying, I'm just going to go ahead to style the front part of the hair, and then she will then go ahead to straighten the hair so that it can come out looking really good.
Good morning to everyone. So welcome back. I don't know if this is another vlog, but yeah. So I'm ready. Today it's Saturday, and I'm ready to go. I have a client this morning, like a makeup job. So I'm ready to go, glam her up. So before then, I decided to just show you guys my outfit. This is what I am wearing. I'm wearing this Ankara dress that I made like I think a year ago. I think so. I'm not sure. It has like a pocket. I don't know what you guys call it, but we call it pocket. And then it comes with like a belt at the back. So I love dresses with belt. Anytime I'm making like a dress, like a short dress for job, I like to add like a belt at the back. And anytime I'm going for like a home service makeup job, I try to know where I'm going to. If it's like a family house, I'll try to dress as decent as possible. And if it's a family house or like a Muslim home, so I try to dress as decent as possible. So this is one of my decent dresses I have, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to pair it up with like a rubber slippers. This is not what I'm going to wear. I'm going to pair it up with a rubber slippers because I told you guys that standing these days actually hurt my feet down there. So these days I try to wear only rubber slippers, especially when I'm working. Then all those other fancy slippers, wear them probably when I'm hanging
This is me
out, or
taking all
maybe
my kaya, that my load inside my client's house. So I actually have a makeup client today. So yeah, I'm just taking all my makeup loads to my client's house. So my client actually put to bed naming of the child, so she called me to come glam her face up. So that's why I am here to glam her up.
turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Let's go upstairs. Upstairs, yes.
okay.
I will wait for you.
kind of hair? You're wearing a wig.
I'm tying the so I don't look happy.
Okay, you said gilly, right? I don't know if I still remember how to tie.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will try.
Try for a while.
Yes. Is it possible for me to get like a small table, or should I put it on?
Try to put it on. Still, let me bring it down.
No, I don't want to stretch.
I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't offer me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet, sweet, sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep seasoning. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come on the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and it turn that look to me. I'm here 'cause